1 hour versus 3-day pork belly. Start by poking holes in the skin, then score the meat side. Brush with a mixture of hoisin sauce and Shaoxing wine. Then massage your meat with salt, sugar, 5-spice garlic powder, and white pepper. Mix together salt and egg whites until you get a sandy paste. Cover the pork skin with the salt paste. Air fry at 200 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, then scrape off the salt, brush the skin with oil, and air fry again at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Start by making a cure with salt, sugar, 5-spice, and some aromatics. Work it into your pork and let it cure overnight. On day 2, rinse your meat, then cover with a ton of duck fat and cook it low and slow at 200 Fahrenheit. After 10 hours, peel off the skin, then shred the meat like pulled pork. Place the skin in a lined tin, then stack the meat on top. Refrigerate it overnight. On day 3, take the pressed pork out, then trim and portion it. Sear the skin over medium-low with a weight on top and place it in a hot oven. Now it's time to see which is the better pork belly.
Super crispy skin, and it only took an hour. That's gonna be hard to beat. For 3 days of work, I don't think it's worth it. Winner goes the 1 hour pork belly.